Hello everybody, I'm Chris Biddle, Campus President of Lincoln Tech Marietta. I'm really excited to welcome you guys here today for a tour. We're going to check out a few main areas today. First, our medical labs, where we train students for a certificate to become a medical assistant and also an associate's degree program in medical assisting technology. We also have our HVAC labs, where we train in air conditioning, refrigerating, and heating technology. And we also have our electronics department, where we do electrical and electronic systems technology and an associate's degree in electrical and electronic systems technology service management. So really excited to have you guys here. Can't wait to show you around, introduce you to some of our friends and family. We have great students here, we have great instructors. I think you guys are going to love the place, I know I do. I think what sets us apart is our people, their passion, our instructors. It's a really exciting place to be. We love it here and hope that you will too. So let's go on a tour. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Derochek, the Director of Education at the Lincoln Tech Marietta campus. We are accredited by ACCSC and offer both certificate and associate's degree programs. Students are also able to take certification exams for our program. For example, they can take the Registered Medical Assistant exam for the medical assisting program, and they take the EPA 608 exam for the HVAC program. Additionally, most of our programs last about a year.
Hello, my name is Hvac. I'm the EST Program Chair from Lincoln Tech of Marietta. Here we learn about electricity. You know that electricity is the life of the civilization, the lifeline of the civilization. So we prepare here specialists, teach them how to do the residential electrical, the commercial electrical, fire alarm, CCTV, burglar alarm, and of course the green energy, what is the future of this planet. I'm very excited to teach here, and I hope the guys that are interested to get this program, to get on this route, to come here, and we have a lot of fun and a nice journey through the school. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gilbreth, instructor here in HVAC here at the Lincoln Tech Marietta campus. This is our warm air room. We're operating furnaces and heat pumps in this room with air conditioner attached, and we're using our multimeter and our gauges to learn how to diagnose and check on this equipment so that we know it's operating properly. And we would love to see you on campus soon. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again. Here I am in our doctor's office for our medical assisting program. We have both a certificate and associate's degree program. In both programs, there's a focus on hands-on skills. Here in the doctor's office, students can practice and simulate being in that environment, doing EKGs, and also welcoming patients to an office. Next door, we have our Hvac Lab, where students work on their hands-on clinical procedures a lot, like phlebotomy or urinalysis. The associate's degree program, the medical assisting technology program, has an added focus on the medical office and the procedures that go along with that.
Hello, I'm Diane Walker, Director of Admissions here at Lincoln Tech Marietta. Welcome to our campus. In the admissions department, each student is paired with an admissions representative who will assist you with completing a career planning session, take you on a guided tour, and of course assist you with completing your application for school. We have appointments available on campus or virtually to help you launch your career. I look forward to meeting you on campus soon.
Hi, my name is Lisa Collins, the Director of Career Services for Lincoln Tech Marietta campus, where we are committed to the professional excellence of our students. We work with our students throughout the duration of the program, providing quality career readiness workshops, because our goal is to make sure that they have employment opportunities before they graduate. We partner with such companies such as Johnson Controls, Hussman, just to name a few, Again, the goal is to make sure that they have valuable options.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us today. We really appreciate your time. For more information about our programs or our school, you can visit lincolntech.edu. We look forward to seeing you.